Well, welcome to this introduction to the question editor. What the question editor allows is the user to create content or questions that can be used in your organization. What the question editor is you're not able to create any specific types of session. All you're allowed to do is create content that can be utilized by your organization. To get started, you have two ways to do this. You can go up to the question editor tab in the top tab bar, or you can click on it under the quick links. You can enter a question manually. So just simply click on here, add a multiple choice, true, false, select all, apply. Keep in mind, fill in the blank, list, and sequence are only limited to a few questions. So you may be better off just to choose general questions like multiple choice, true, false, select all, then apply. Enter your question and your answers. Make sure you tell which is correct. You also have the ability to add information to set up a question. So if you need to put information in that's going to help a person answer a question, you can use the preview slide. The summary slide is a great way to review after the user selects their answer. I'm going to hit cancel here. Another way to do this, if Bravo Assist has been activated for your organization, and only the administrator for the organization can turn this on, but click on Bravo Assist, and you have three ways to enter information that allow AI to help you quickly create content where you can go then and edit it and fine-tune it. You can simply ask a question, and it's going to grab information from a variety of sources. Or if you really want to drill down from a document or a CSV file, just copy and paste your content, and it will create the question specifically from a source. The same thing with the web page URL, or you can upload a document. This really allows you to really control where AI is going to grab the information from. I'm going to go ahead and use that, and I'm going to choose weighted questions. That has, for example, 100 questions in it. You're better off to actually copy 20 questions at a time from that CSV file and paste it in the text, because the max you can enter is 20 questions. I'm going to choose 5. You can choose multiple choice, slides, fill in the blank. These are all content that can be used in pretty much any of our sessions. I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Questions. Once it's finished, you're going to want to go ahead and review your content to see if you like it. Now, you're probably going to have to go ahead and clean up some of those questions. Sometimes it gets a little wordy, and you may want to actually clean it up a little bit. But AI is a great way to help you chop down that tree, kind of get you started, and you're going to go in there and kind of fine-tune it a little bit. If you don't like something, just simply select it, and it won't import it. Once you're happy with that, we're going to hit Next. Name your folder. I'm going to call this Weighted Questions. Hit Finish. Now you can go in there and actually edit the content here. So click on the question, review it, see if you're happy with it, and again, you can add preview and summary information. One additional thing you want to keep in mind, now you need to share it. So yes, you've created the content, but you need to share it with others within the organization. To do that, go to Options. First of all, you can actually name it. And I'm going to click on Share Library, and it's going to show those in my organization. I'm going to share this with everybody, so they will have access to this library I've created, and you're done. Well, as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to us at support@c3softworks.com.